It's a little bit more money, but you get more benefits. And I'll get that into that in another video. But for now, I'm going to do the last bag that I had from IPSY before I canceled my subscription. And so we'll read the card. And the card here it's from November of 2020. And it says, be present. And it says, #blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, the first swipe of a new lipstick, a DIY mani, video chatting with an old friend, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. So that's their thing, because obviously it was Thanksgiving in the States for that time, because it is an American company. Alright, so we'll put that aside and let's see what we got in the goodie bag. So first of all, it's a nice bag. It's plain on this side. And then we've got the tri-colors, nice fall colors, blue, brown, and beige. It's a nice bag. Feels kind of faux leathery. It's very nice. I like it. Alright, so let's see what we got. First box. Oh, and while we're opening it, you may have noticed I have this lovely bandage on my hand. I've got some kind of itis in my wrist. So I'm over being sick. I've been sick for the last little while. And now I'm feeling much better and ready to do all these things. And my hand got some kind of itis in it. So now I'm waiting for my hand to get better so I can do my makeup. So that's where we're at right now. Alright, so the first thing we have here is Soft Glow Highlighter from Koki. I hope I'm saying that right. Their little symbol has a little elephant on top. And so we'll open the box up and we'll get the product out. I can't remember if I was smart with this package. I've opened some ahead of time, so I'm not sitting here wrestling with the box on camera with you. So we open this up and, ooh, it's pretty. Okay, get rid of the empty box. So this is nice. It's plastic, but it looks really good. And on the back it says, well, it says it's not returnable to retailers, so I'm guessing it's some kind of a sample of some sort, or because it's made exclusively for IPSY. So here's the package and how it looks on the outside. Very pretty. And then we're going to open it and see what it actually looks like inside. Opens nice. Ooh, pretty. So it's very shiny, and I look forward to trying it. That's a really nice color. Alright, so that's the first item. So there we go. Nice highlighter. That's always fun. And then the next item, we got a squishy tube. And we have Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. And it's safe for sensitive skin. And it is from Fab First Aid Beauty. It's kind of got a cool retro feel to it. So that's nice. And so I look forward to trying that. I could use a good moisturizer. And it says you can apply it throughout the day on the directions. So that's good. I've been needing a moisturizer. My face is drying out in spots horribly. And because of being sick, my skin is taking a freak out. So a moisturizer will be nice. I'm sure it will help. Oh, I got another squeezy tube. I'll just go with the other squeezy tube because there's a box in here that's left. So we will, let's see. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's Sand and Sky, and it's Australian Pink Clay Pore-Fining Face Mask. Detoxify and brighten. I love the packaging. It's a beautiful color. So that's the package for there. So we have a nice little face mask. Looks like it will have a few applications. And it says, always patch test. Yes, it's always good to test if you have sensitive skin. But if you have sensitive skin, I imagine you already know this. So, and it's got vitamin A in it. And, and it's not tested on animals. That's always nice. And that's it. So you just put it all over your face, wait a few minutes. It doesn't even tell you how long. It doesn't tell you how long to leave it on. I know with Mary Kay's mask, it's about 15 minutes or until it dries out. But there's no detriment if you leave it on a long time. It's just a clay mask, so once it's dry, it will deactivate. So last container. And that was 1, 2, 3, yep, 4 items. So that's it for that. And the last item that we have is, ooh, Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have one of her books in my bookshelf, Bobbi Brown for makeup. So let's see, how do you open this box? There we go. Oh, good. She doesn't have those little tabs on the lid, and they're like impossible to open for me sometimes, especially with my hands hurting right now. It's really hard to open boxes, so I'm glad. Thank you, Bobbi Brown, for making a box that's openable. And this is the package. So this is what it comes in. Little tiny thing, and I'll turn it sideways so you can see how much. So yeah, so this is the face base, and I've seen this on videos before, and it's supposed to be really good, so I'm excited to try it. I have so many things to try, I can't tell you. So I'm probably going to be on here like lots in the next little while. I'm just getting things straightened out, kind of a long story, but we'll get into that later. But so that's my final IPSY bag. Sorry, the wheelchair. That's the final bag for IPSY. Again, no shade on the products. Bags are nice, you know, and it's a good price point. And you know, if you not worried about the points and you just want to try some makeup out and not waste too much, then I highly recommend it. I don't have a code. I had a share code, but I don't anymore because I discontinued it. So, but yeah, check it out if you just want to try a little bit. Otherwise, the next video will be about BoxyCharm, and that's a little bit more, but you get full-size products in that. Alright, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.